Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can send conditional emails automatically whenever you add a new row in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. So what are these conditional emails and why we need this automation? Guys, sometimes you need to enter the data in your spreadsheet and according to some conditions present in the data, you need to send emails. For example, let's say you are entering the results of your students inside the spreadsheet and you want to send emails to only those students who have passed the examinations. So for this condition, generally you have to manually find out the students who have passed the examinations and manually send the emails, and that is a really time taking and problematic process. So that's why this automation can help you in this, and here we can build this automation without any coding super simply. So let me show you how you can set up this automation. Guys, to set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and you can reach this page from the link given in the description and sign up for free, and you will get free automation tasks every month. Okay, so guys, sign up right now from the given link and then you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button to set up your workflow. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name. Now click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated consequences or the responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, we are adding a row in Google Sheets, and that is going to trigger the workflow, and the action is to send an automated email according to some conditions. Okay, so when you click on this trigger, it will ask to choose the trigger application. So here you have to search for Google Sheets. Okay, and select it. Then select the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Alright, and it will give you this webhook URLs. With the help of this, we can capture the data from our spreadsheet into here in this trigger section. Okay, so with the help of webhook, you can get the data from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and to make this connection between Google Sheets and this trigger, you need to follow these steps written here. So you can read these steps one by one and follow them, or what you can do, just click on this link. So you will reach our YouTube channel, and here you can watch a separate tutorial on which you can see how you can connect Google Sheets in the trigger. Okay, follow this tutorial and you can connect with Google Sheets. So when you copy this webhook URL for creating this connection, it will start showing waiting for the response of the connection that you have created. So after following these steps, you can bring some test data from your spreadsheet to here in the response section, and with the help of this test data, we can move forward. So guys, let me show you. This is my spreadsheet and this is how I am entering the details of my students and their results. Okay, and here you can see we have this final result column in which I am entering the condition that if the student is passed or failed. So I want to send the emails to only those students who have passed. Okay, now let me bring the test data here. So guys, you can see I have received the test data, and here you can see that this data is from the first row of my spreadsheet. Dummy student is the name, 9th class, 25 marks, final result pass. Okay, you can see dummy student, 25 marks, pass, email address, class. Right, so this is how we can capture the test data. Now to apply the condition here that this student is passed or not, to check this condition, we are going to use this action window, and here I am going to apply filter feature of Pabbly Connect. So select filter here, and here it will ask you to select a label, select a filter type and put the value here. So guys, I am going to select this final result label. Okay, and then I'm going to select the filter type and put a value here. So to select the label, just click here and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and from here only you can select the label. Okay, and I'm going to select the filter type as equals to, and in the value I'm going to put pass. Okay, this means that when this label gives you this pass value, then only continue the workflow and send the email. Now you can apply two conditions by clicking on this plus icon, and you can apply a AND logic condition as well. Or if you want to apply an OR logic condition, just click on this OR condition button and you can apply one more condition. So let me show you an example. Let's say you want to send the emails to those students who have passed the examinations and have more than 20 marks. So now we have two conditions. So to apply the AND condition, I am clicking here on this plus icon, and now I'm going to select the marks label from the previous step, and then here I'm going to select the filter type as greater than, and here I'm going to put the value as 20. So these are the two conditions needs to be satisfied to receive an email from us. Now you can check the condition by clicking on save and send test request button, and here you can see guys, it's showing the condition is true. So this is an AND logic condition. This means both conditions satisfies. Okay, now when this condition matches true, we want to send an email. For that, just click here on this plus icon to add one more action window, and here to send emails we are going to use Gmail application. So search for Gmail and use the action event now as send email. Click on connect button. From this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. So it will bring you to this window. From here you have to select that Gmail account by which you want to send the emails. Okay, select that account. Then you have to provide some additional access to your account. So just click on continue from here. That is completely safe, and you will be connected with your Gmail account in a moment. So we are now connected, and here it started asking for the recipient's email address. So I have entered the recipient email address in my spreadsheet, and I have captured the test data as well. So from the first trigger step, I am going to map the email label here. Okay, right. In the sender name, you can put your name. Let me put my name, Akib. In the email subject, you can type the email. You can type the subject. Let me type it manually. So I have given the subject as examination result report. Okay, you can change these things according to your purpose. You can select the type of the email as plain or HTML. I'm selecting plain. In the email content, you can type the whole email that you want to send. So let me type an email here. So guys, I have written a small email here, and just to show you how it works. And here you can see I have written dear, and after dear I want to mention the name of the student. So I'm going to map the name label from the previous step. Just after clicking on in front of dear word, map the student name label, and it will be mapped like this. Congratulations, you have passed the examination with flying colors. Marks obtained. After marks obtained, I'm going to click on from this first step. I'm going to map the marks obtained label. Okay, like this. Okay, and here I'm going to type, let me type as out of 30, let's say. Okay, right. So this is how you can type the email here and map the labels. And when you map labels, guys, what will happen in real time, whenever this workflow is going to trigger, all the labels will be updated and new data will be mapped inside the email, and new email will be delivered. That's why we map labels here, and this is why you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will work automatically for you, right? Now guys, you can test the connection with Gmail by clicking on save and send test request button here, and this email will be delivered to this address that you have mapped. So let me show you the demo. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and this is the email account of the student. And here you can see, guys, I have received a new email by my name Akib, and here you can see examination result report is the subject, and you can see this is the same email. Dear dummy student, congratulations, you have passed the examination with flying colors, marks obtained. This is the same email I have written here. So guys, this is how it is going to work. Our connection is working fine, and you have to set up it only once. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description as well, so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.